Hey butterflies, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing Beauty on a Budget, a review for the nice and clean lens wipes that I got from Walmart a little while ago. I got 50 of them for about $3 and some change, I'm gonna guess. And I really like these when I use them to clean my glasses. They don't leave a residue. They make my glasses feel cleaner, actually, where I can actually see through them much better. And the only thing that I would say is my husband is blind, and one time I pulled one of these out and he's got a whiff of it and he was like, "Hey Amanda, what is that?" He thought it was nail polish, but obviously it was one of my cleaner wipes here. And I just said, "Oh honey, it's just I'm cleaning my glasses." And other than the smell, you know, it smells kind of alcohol-y, I would definitely give this product a 7 out of 10 because it's so good. So I highly recommend that if you have glasses or electronics that you get this brand because it's very helpful. And I actually have used this brand on my iPhone and it really has cleaned my screen as well. So that's a plus. So definitely check them out if you're at your local Walmart. And butterflies, remember, I love you, stay positive, fly high, and I'll see you next time. Bye!